What's up, YouTube? Welcome back. If you could, real quick, click down there, subscribe, and we'll get right to it. Today we have a set of slip joint pliers. They got a wire cutter in here. They're Mephista number 95. I'll see what information I can find on them and put it towards the end of the video. But I don't know if they were blue before or they just got blue paint spilled on them. But I am noticing some blue. We're probably just going to polish them up real nice. We'll see. We'll see. Anyways, we're going to try and take this apart and we'll get to it. So they turned out amazing. The embossing or knurling, whatever you want to call it, is really good. They feel really smooth in the hands. I did wax them up. They're Mephista number 95, and I'll put what I can find on the company down below. I like them. There's a little bit of pitting, but I didn't want to take it below where the lettering is. Awesome. They'll go on the wall. They're all waxed up and ready to go. If you could, hit the subscribe, and I will see you on the next one.